Good morning, friends. Welcome to yet another video and a new day. No, I'm not going to share another day in my life video, but an evening in my life and how I try to utilize the maximum in learning and pampering myself. Because we do need a good break post a tired work day. Before going into the video, please follow me on my Instagram handle for all the life updates and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Click the bell icon for receiving notifications of all my videos. So here I am back home. I take a good shower with a nice body wash. I feel bathing with a nice body wash gives that extra refreshment our mind and body needs after a tiring day. Post that, I slip into my comfy t-shirt and trousers and do my basic skincare. Not much at that time. I love sweets, but I do have my choice of sweets that I prefer to lift up my mood. I have been loving these butterscotch pastries from Mio Amore. I love the taste of it, and butterscotch is my favorite in the various flavors available. And none of my mornings or evenings are complete without my chai. So, my grand cup of chai with my favorite pastries are my go-to mood lifters and energy boosters. Not that I have these every single evenings, but a tea cake is a must with my evening chai. I treat these small little pleasures as my pampering tools towards a good self-care treat to myself. So, after I joined work, reading has taken a back seat. And every day I take small steps towards regaining my love for reading books. I used to read books aggressively till the time I was in my early stage of my career. But the more days got busier, reading was not something I could do regularly. So I take at least half an hour of time out to read one book and enjoy my time. Enjoy the feeling of reading a normal book, holding it with my hands. Nowadays, with the digital awareness and so much of usage of so many digital platforms for reading resources, we have almost gotten away from reading a book made of paper and which we can turn the page and read. Let me know in the comment section below if you agree with me. I love to listen to music. Spotify is my companion when listening to some great music. When I put on some good music onto my ears, I really feel very calm and feel good and really enjoy my evening time relaxing. Music is really therapeutic. It really touches my mind, body and soul and provides a distraction to the mind, and thus it gives a good boost to my mood. This is the time I also like to jot down all the ideas which come in of video creation. Sometimes I also write the script for my next video. With the 9 to 5 job, it is sometimes very difficult to manage time and do the ideation, scripting, shooting, editing, etc. So I utilize my evenings for this task, and sometimes I also shoot a video when not writing or scripting. I don't find it tiresome since I love doing it, so I create them. Last, the task before ending my day is a small meal prep that I do for the next day's breakfast. I also take what I prepare or make for lunch for the next day. I could not help my mother with any of the house chores when I have a regular office. So I try as much as possible to prepare one meal of the day at night for the next day. This is how my evenings goes by. These are something I do, and I think for me these have been a productive way of ending my day, or I call it a productive evening routine that I follow. Here I am making a dough for making aloo paratha for the next day's breakfast, and this is what I will be taking for the next day's lunch. I really hope you liked this video. If you have, please go give this video a big thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. I shall see you soon on my next video. Until then, stay safe.